California 99, then keep right.
Really, really.
We're going to the airport.
Sacramento.
Sacramento.
Keep right onto California 99 North.
Highway 5 North. This is Highway 5 North and going to Southeast Los Angeles.
Really, airport.
We are now in Highway 5 North.
Highway 5 na ba niya?
Yes. Ang babahay din. Bagong babahay.
That's rental homes. Mga apartment, mga high-end apartment. Hindi mo makita yan. Silaw.
Dali oh.
I mean, may mga apartment ba?
Konter nila.
Continue 2.3 miles, then keep left onto I-5 North.
Costco. Ah, ito pala yung bagong Costco nila.
Okay.
There you go. Sana Thomas.
We are now entering exiting 528 to Sacramento.
In 0.2 miles.
Airport.
Keep right onto Airport Boulevard.
Airport Boulevard.
Keep right onto Airport Boulevard.
Itong airport nila hindi kalakihan. Tsaka tama lang, hindi crowded. Magkatao lang kung may arriving or departing. Marami ang tao.
Ahead. Parking, garage, economy.
Continue 0.5 miles to Sacramento International Airport.
Terminal. Canopy.
In 0.2 miles, arrive at Sacramento International Airport.
Parang nasa Forest Airport ay.
Arriving at Sacramento International.
Between 1 and 2.
Kaila ka ba nila?
Oo naman.
Kanating gubarogo. Kanating dog ka na. Nakasanlas.
Yan. Yan.
Ang ganda na nakita. Ginagawa yan.
Ay, ako ka na.
Nalagyan niya na. Paparking nga sa ko. You're too hot. Tignan ha. Kaya magbutang pang resibo na ha. Okay, we're here.
Oy, nung store!
Ito yung
Tamasik!
Ito yan sila. From, they are from Bacolod. Well, actually from Texas. Then, pupunta sila ng Vallejo. Punta sa anak nila. Pero galing sila Texas. Tingnan, look at the airport here. Not so busy. Yeah. The traffic is so cool. Okay. Hindi na sinundo natin. Kapitbahay ni Bitbit sa Bacolod. Okay, and we're going to Vallejo right now.
Ha?
Okay.
Ay, amo man gid na kay syempre biyahe eh.
See you next. Good morning, mga iso. Look at my calamansi. Ang dami nila. See that. There's a lot of them here. this kamatis is para sa salad. We're using this for the salad. So, ito na ako mga sili. Kamatis pa ba? Talong ito. Ito yung nakaharvest ng talong hapon. Big squash. That's my zucchini here. Look at lots of flowers. So may malunggay and my squash. Okay, see you next.